Alright guys, while I was going through some of the latest scientific studies, I stumbled upon something absolutely astonishing. It's not in big media yet, but trust me, it's groundbreaking. This discovery could literally change the way we understand medicine. Imagine tiny, flexible robots navigating through your body, delivering drugs to the exact spot they're needed, or performing surgeries without making a single cut. And here's the kicker, it's not just an idea. As of February 2nd, 2025, scientists have made this a reality. Let me tell you all about this incredible breakthrough that could redefine medicine as we know it. What was discovered? Scientists have developed a fully automated three-dimensional printing process that creates ultra-small, magnetic soft robots without human intervention. Before this, fabricating these robots required slow, manual labor. Now, a specialized three-dimensional printer does it all, in under 30 minutes. How does it work? The robots are made from a flexible material, infused with magnetic particles. A rotating magnet inside the printer aligns these particles at precise angles, giving each part of the robot a programmable movement pattern. Once printed, these robots respond to external magnetic fields, allowing doctors to steer them remotely inside the human body. And here's the mind-blowing part. This printing process is fully repeatable and scalable, meaning these robots could soon be mass-produced for real-world medical applications. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in medical robotics. These nanorobots aren't just tiny gadgets. They could change everything about how we treat diseases and injuries. First, targeted drug delivery. Instead of flooding the whole body with medication, these robots can travel directly to tumors, infections, or damaged tissue, delivering treatment with pinpoint accuracy. Second, repairing blood vessels. Imagine a tiny, flexible robot sealing a damaged artery from the inside. No open surgery needed. Third, brain and nervous system treatment. These robots are soft and flexible, making them ideal for navigating delicate areas like the brain or spinal cord. A breakthrough for treating conditions like Parkinson's or epilepsy. Fourth, performing surgeries without incisions. Doctors could steer these robots to repair organs, extract harmful materials, or clear blocked arteries, all without making a single cut. And the best part? Because they are magnetic, they require no wires, no batteries, and no external power sources. This is happening now. As of February 2nd, 2025, this technology is scientifically proven and fully operational. Within the next 5 years, we could see real-world medical trials using these robots inside human patients. The long-term goal, shrinking them to the true nano level, so small they could work at the cellular level, repairing DNA damage and stopping diseases before they start. But here's the big question. Would you trust a nanorobot inside your body? Just 10 years ago, this idea was pure science fiction. Today, it's a reality. February 2nd, 2025 will be remembered as the day we took the first major step toward fully autonomous medical robots. The future of medicine has arrived. The question isn't if this will change the world, it's how soon. What do you think? Is this the biggest breakthrough in medicine? Would you feel comfortable with a nanorobot inside you? If you appreciate this kind of information, please hit like and drop a comment so this video can reach more people. We're happy you're happy, but we also need to keep the YouTube algorithm happy too. Thank you for your support. It helps us keep making videos like this. Some may call it crazy. We call it curiosity. Every breakthrough starts with someone questioning the unquestionable. What if we're wrong? What if we're right? Stay curious, stay bold, and never stop questioning, because that's how progress begins.